What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome my channel. My name is George. Today guys, you are here for a great video because I'm about to spill the tea. LUMIFY eye drops. If you have an Instagram, you've absolutely seen an advertisement for this company. That's where I found them. So LUMIFY, you can not only get these on Instagram, but also lumifydrops.com. I got these off Amazon, but these claim to whiten your eyes within 1 minute, lasts up to 8 hours. It's a redness relief eye drop, and it also claims to be a miracle worker. But yeah, I'm gonna actually share my experience with you guys. Do these work? Are these worth the price? Because these are not your Visine, your Clear Eyes priced eye drops. They're 12 bucks. So yes, I'm gonna fill you guys in. Do these work? Do these not work? You'll find out. Keep on watching. I guess I got lucky because I got these eye drops for $12.69 from Amazon. Now I'm on lumifydrops.com and these are sold several places. Amazon right now, they're going for $18.44. Walmart, $19.97. They're sold at Target for over 20 bucks. CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid. The price varies. I don't know why these aren't like a universal price per place, but yeah, these are pricey eye drops, guys. Not gonna lie. Now, I get red eyes pretty easily. I don't know what it is. Probably just like the fact of being in front of a computer, because with my job, I'm always on the computer. And of course, guys, our phones are glued to our hands, so we're looking at screens. It makes your eyes red, all right? Plus, I also have allergies, so that contributes as well. So what did I do? I seen these, got the eye drops. Now, I have tried them. I'm gonna be honest. This is a box right here that it comes in, and out of all honesty, when this arrived in the mail, it came bent, it came tattered, it didn't come looking immaculate. No big deal, whatever, as long as the eye drops themselves were intact, that's really all that was important. Now, the box is very simple, nothing special or luxurious. I mean, you're paying a nice amount of money for this, so for the box to be this simple, that's kind of, I guess you're not paying for the packaging. But anyway, it does say in the box some of the ingredients, if not all the ingredients, because these are FDA approved, highly important. Most importantly for me is these do not have alcohol in them. A lot of over-the-counter eye drops contain alcohol, which is horrible for your eyes. So luckily these do not have them, which is a huge factor as to why I wanted to get them. So it does say on the back, LUMIFY eye drops from the eye care experts at Bosch plus Lume. Don't know who they are. Just one drop works within a minute and lasts up to 8 hours to reduce redness. So just simple claim right there, nothing special on the box. Now the eye drop itself looks just like this. Plastic bottle, little purple top. I don't know, guys. It's nothing special. I mean, for the price you're paying, they could definitely up their packaging game. So we have read a couple of reviews about these eye drops, and it does say only use once a day. And the more you use them, the less you're gonna see that they actually work. I mean, that's kind of common sense, because the more you use a product, I mean, I feel the way when it comes to skincare. When I use something all the time, I don't have the same reaction. You know, if my skin adapts to it or gets used to something, it doesn't work as well. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm crazy. The box doesn't have much to say about the product, as you heard, but on the website it does say FDA approved. LUMIFY is a completely new FDA approved formulation. It significantly reduces redness to help your eye appear wider and brighter to reveal their natural radiance. With no bleach or dyes, LUMIFY starts working in 60 seconds and lasts up to 8 hours. It was developed by eye doctors and it's brought to you by Bosch plus Lume, the eye care experts. I don't know them, but that sounds pretty convincing. And again, the ingredients are pretty promising. Nothing toxic, no bleaching in this, no alcohol. Highly important. So that's that. Guys, I want to see if I could show you the progress, how it works. I'm not sure if it's gonna really show on camera, but we will try. So claims to work within 60 seconds. I am gonna see if I can show you. I'm very weird when I put in eye drops, so do not judge. One thing I do want to make sure I say, when you put them in, they feel very liquidy. It doesn't give you a like lubricant type of feeling. And a lot of eye drops, they make you feel like they're being lubricated, moistured, whatever you want to call it. These they just make your eyes feel wet. But let's see within this next 60 seconds if they will be wider. But we will talk in the meantime. Guys, check out this shirt. It is Christmas in a day. And I'm not sure when I'm posting this video, but Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, guys. I mean, I had to wear the shirt. This is Trans-Siberian Orchestra. I have seen them in show several times, but they're not my favorite orchestra. Not gonna lie, if you guys are familiar with Mannheim Steamroller, they're by far my favorite like Christmas orchestra. Not that it matters, I'm not really into orchestras, but I'm clearly just trying to have a conversation while these eye drops are working. Alright, so that 60 seconds is up. Let me know, guys, in the comments down below if you have noticed a difference within my eyes. Do they look wider? Do they look more clear? Do they look bright? Do they look photoshopped? I don't know, but my personal experience, I like these eye drops. I think they're great. They definitely keep my eyes white for a little amount of time. Not the full 8 hours, but for the first like hour or two, my eyes look fresh. I look awake. I look youthful, and I do not look tired, which that contributes a lot to my red eyes. So do I recommend you guys to get these eye drops? Why not? I mean, it's worth a try. If they work this way for me, they're bound to work for you because my eyes are kind of whack, not gonna lie. But the price is the only thing that I'm gonna say is a little because guys, let's face it, anything above $12 for eye drops or even like $10 for over-the-counter eye drops, it's kind of stupid. But especially for the way they arrived for me and everything, I don't know. LUMIFY, you need to get your together because the packaging wasn't great. The bottle is small, which the bottle is actually 0.08 fluid ounces, 2.5 milliliters. That is very tiny. I'm not sure if that's like your average size when it comes to eye drops. I'm gonna give these a 7 out of 10, just because I'm not impressed with this packaging, and I'm not impressed that they don't work the full 8 hours. That sucks. But either way, try them out, guys. Make your own opinion. If you have tried these, leave it in a comment down below. Let me know your experience. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great holiday season and hopefully enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Hit the notification bell, please, because I make videos weekly, so you might as well be updated on my YouTube journey. But until next time, guys, have a good day, have a good night, whatever time of day it is, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.